Good afternoon, everyone. Here's Gerald from Jared's Car Reviews. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have your notifications turned on so that way you know when I upload a new video. For today's in-depth review, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the 2020 Nissan Maxima SV. This can be a full tour of the Maxima SV. I'm going to start up. I'm also going to show the engine. I'm also going to show you guys the interior and the exterior of the car. So, with that being said, here's the key. You got your lock, unlock, your trunk, panic, and your remote start. It does have Nissan Smart Key Access System. Just make sure the key fob's in your pocket. Doors are currently unlocked. To lock, just push the button. That locks the car. To unlock, just push the button again. Then push it again to lock all the doors. The color exterior is black. It's got black leather interior. Power driver's seat with power recline and power lumbar. The car has 70,000 miles on it. It does have push button ignition. Just put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start the engine. Very nice. It's got a 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. Coming to your transmission, it's got a CVT automatic transmission. Manual shiftability. Also have a backup camera. It's got a slice right there. Parking brake's located down there. Alright, let's go call on the lights. We'll turn on the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. Check out the exterior. That beam is just to tell you that the key has started the vehicle. Got your LED turn signal mirrors. I'm not sure what tires are these. These are Saloon tires. 245 ZR18s. It's had 18-inch wheels. You have LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights and your LED turn signal indicators. LED tail lights with the LED turn signal indicators. Dual exhaust. Pop the hood. Coming up to the hood, you have Nissan's 3.5 liter V6. There's your battery. Got your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, window lock, storage down there. It's going to give it a couple of revs. Very nice. Got your climate control, fan speed, dual zone. It's got dual zone climate control. Got your front defrost, rear defrost, your different modes. Air conditioning, recycling, storage with your two USB outlets and auxiliary input, cup holders. It's got heated seats for the driver and passenger. You got your sport mode and your traction control off. You have storage in there with your 12-volt power outlet. Check out the radio. Got your different stations. Here, here's the home screen. Your info, audio, and you have your navigation. Zoom in. Zoom in and out. Destination. And you have your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth right here. Camera. You have your adaptive cruise control right here. Your phone, voice command. Got your volume controls. Got your driver info system right here. I probably can't really see it because it's got something on the instrument cluster there. Got your turn signals, wipers, right there. You got your tachometer, your temperature, your speedometer, your fuel gauge, and where it says P is your gear selector. You have your gauge brightness right here. You got your trunk button. I'm trying to get it to focus. It's not... There we go. Interior lights. Sunglass storage. It's got automatic dimming rearview mirror. Alright, guess that's it for the inside. I'll go put the window down and check out the back seat. Storage, got your power window. Back pocket. Got your air vents back here. Cup holders with your center armrest. You got your interior light up there. It's not focusing. Just gonna check out the trunk. Nice amount of trunk space. Power window, power door locks, storage, full power passenger seat. Let's get the seat back. All right, let's go shut everything down. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the 2020 Nissan Maxima SV. Be sure to stay tuned for my next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.